Hi, baby. Good morning. What you doing? Reading your book? Hi. What did you find? Oh, bless you. Oh, God bless you. Oh, God bless you. God bless you, my cutie. You want to look at the pages? Whee! Boop. Here we go. Here's the goose. Quack, 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 quack. Oh, does it taste good? That's a good book, huh? Yum. Let's touch the sheep. And you love the sheep. Here's your sheep. Here's your sheep. Ooh. Is that your favorite? Hi, sheepy. And not today. Today it's the tag. Oh, hi, tag. You look very cute today, Corbin. And every day. Boop. Ta-da! What you think? Do we gotta go to school? Do we gotta go? What do you think, Corbin? Do we need to go to school? Do we need to go? Or do we need to stay here? You thinking about it? Let's see. Just read, Mom. Ooh. I love you, baby. I love you, cute baby boy. Alright, let's roll. Mwah, mwah, mwah.